Hello and welcome to Modern Thatch Living. Today what I'd like to do is look at the door handle on the front door. We bought this because it looks nice, but it gets very cold. There are two problems. One is this is a very thin plate and there's no insulation here. Also there's no escutcheon on the lock, so you get quite a large draft coming through the keyhole. So what I'm planning to do today is to put an escutcheon on the outside and put some foam inside the door handle plates. I don't know if the foam will make much difference. I suspect that the escutcheon will have the biggest impact, but this handle does get very, very cold, and the radiator next to it is not that big, and so I feel that the heat loss from the door handle might actually be quite significant here. In the long run, we may well put a curtain over the door, but I still have some work to finish around this door, making a frame and a step, but that will be something that I do in the future. Anyway, let's get the door handle off and see whether we can do this. So here's the escutcheon, and we need to fit this onto the outside door handle like this. So we're going to need to drill a couple of holes carefully through here, having lined up the keyhole. So yeah, that lines up nicely. So width of 4 centimeters to fit into there nicely, and this is larger. Now the surface is not easy to draw on. I'm hoping this green tape will stick to it, and I can then measure 4 centimeters and cut it. Okay, so that should now fit nicely in there. It does. So now the best thing is probably just cut it in two places to go around the door handle mechanism. Right, moment of truth. Let's see if the key now fits in here, which it does. So that's all good. There we are. The door handle has now been insulated on both sides with a bit of foam, and the escutcheon has been put on the outside to stop the howling draft coming through the keyhole. I hope that you've enjoyed watching that, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.